Wagwan, you don't know it's about the Prodigy. I'm there back with another reaction video. Now, before jumping at this reaction video, make sure you follow me up on Instagram at _Prodigy. I go put it right there, so. Now, to the reaction video, I with Trinidad Ghost. You get what I say? It's our next dance video the dog create. The dog create our next viral dance. Right foot, policy. Left foot, policy. You remember that? Well, the dog create our next dance and him call that one a two-step. You get what I say? I don't come in because I too go jump in right now. We're not waste no time.
This dance I gonna mash up the world. Yo, Beto, sway. Everybody just sway. Everybody just sway. Yo, right foot on your left foot. New dance, watch out your step look. Take a page out of the best book. Two step, everybody get hooked. Move your hand on your shoulder with it. Swing like you're playing cricket. The new step, everybody with it. Brand new, yeah, the dance is legit. Everybody just sway, snap your finger with it. Sway, snap your finger with it. Up the thing, up the thing.
If I one thing with that brother, yeah, him know if to create a movement, him know if to build momentum. You get what I say? And a lot of people are asleep on the dog, you know, but not realize that the dog, him know what to do if you get the buzz. You get what I say? Him know what to do, him know exactly what to do. You get what I say? And the dog always a trend. You see what I say? Him always a start this movement, whether it's a dance video. Him always a create some dance. You get what I say? We have a vibes, you have a buzz to it. You see what I say? If you hear it, you have to move. You get what I say? Wanna come in.
Up the thing, up the thing, up the thing, up the thing. Sway, snap your finger with it. Sway, snap your finger with it. Up the thing, up the thing, up the thing. Up the thing, up the thing, up the thing. Two step, everybody start do the two step. Two step, everybody start do the two step. Everybody start that. Two step, four step, eight step. Shelly dance and make the place wreck. Two step, everybody start do the two step. All the kids, two step in the school. Two step in the dance by the pool. Two step on the work, on the job. Two step, we are the two step mob. The dance easy, cool breezy. Sexy girl do the dance on a TV.
Another thing, him dance him not hard for catch. Is what I say? That's why everybody and their mother, all from the old to the young, on always see them do the dog dance and thing. Is what I say? Because them catchy. One, catchy. Two, it not hard for do. Is what I say? Him just treated that ghost of the COVID.
Every screen, every phone, every TV. That's mash up the place, time I pre-read. Sway, snap your finger with it. Sway, snap your finger with it. Up the thing, up the thing, up the thing. Up the thing, up the thing, up the thing. Sway, snap your finger with it. Sway, snap your finger with it. Up the thing, up the thing, up the thing. Up the thing, up the thing, up the thing. Two step, everybody start do the two step. Two step, everybody start do the two step. Two step, four step, eight step. Shelly dance and make the place wreck. Two step, everybody start do the two step. Sway, everybody start sway. Everybody start sway. Everybody start.
Dog, so when you sway, you have to snap your fingers with it. Make me feel like me a dancer now. You get me? I say two step. Everybody, you get me? I say, yeah man, it have a vibes to it, it have a buzz to it. You see me? I say, you can't hear that song and no move. That me, unless you have stature that day. You see me? Wanna come in.
Everybody start sway. Everybody start sway. Everybody start sway. Everybody start sway. Everybody sway. Do the dance. The dancers. Ravers. Everybody sway. Do the dance. The dancers. Beto. Just sway. Snap your finger with it. Just sway. Snap your finger with it. Sway. Snap your finger with it. just sway, snap your finger with it, sway, snap your finger with it, just sway, snap your finger with it, just sway, snap your finger with it, just sway, snap your finger with it.
Well, like that, you know, people. That was Two Step by Trinidad Ghost. You see me I say? This is your boy The Prodigy. If you don't like this reaction video, I want to see more reaction video. Make sure you also like, comment, share. Do not forget to subscribe. Also, if you don't want to check out the original music video without me talking and pausing and stopping it and all of that, yada yada yada, I'm going to leave the link in the description down below. Also, it will have the link to my Instagram down below in the description. Make sure you also click it. Follow me up on Instagram, and if there's any artist you want me to react to, you just DM me them name and send me the link on Instagram and I react to it. Any upcoming artist, you know, if you don't have a bridge you want to become an artist, you see me I say, I don't know want me, you know, give him a little buzz, send him to me on Instagram. You see me I say, and I react to him song or him music video. It's about The Prodigy. Make sure you also like, comment, share. Do not forget. I get me I say, I'm out.
So me get a girl as me reach the party. Cologne so sweet, every girl starts want me in a Louis suit. I'ma watch a Versace, yeah me head hot, but the high grade call me. The thugs them active, no try karate, no push the violence, but try no start it. A brownie I tell her friend say she want me, but the one in the tongue ring no stop your eyeball me coming. Fresh like yam spring water, I feel my dog, somebody daughter. Every day I'm on a pre-life larger. Girl, they must say me a the real sauce master. Me what? Fresh like yam spring water. Boy, I feel my dog, somebody daughter. Every day I'm on a pre-life larger. Girl, they must say me a the real sauce master. Champagne above, high grade above. Love how the place look, the girl them son off. I charge them good, the gas tank full up. So little later, you know girl like it. What? Another cup of any, come me never get enough. The clocks them must wait, so better now wet it up. Your girl, she a pre-me, you know this sitting go probably. Knock it already, but you keep it on the low. Fresh like, you know the thing go.